you know what you do? Let's do a quick Claret Dabbler, but let's use the Straggle. I want to see how it comes out.
And you'll put the eyes on it.
What is this about booby eyes? You nearly think they work.
No, they don't work.
No, they don't work.
No, don't work.
Do you know what we could do? We could imagine what it's like with booby eyes.
I suppose we can.
Yeah,
yeah. Or you could shape them, Tom.
I could.
Right, we'll do a Claret Dabbler. So again, we'll put the full of mils.
1550.
Yeah, into the vise.
You going to put a butt on this?
I'm going to put a little touch of mirage, just
cool, yeah.
just to kind of kick it off, Tom. You know. So again, I'm going to run my thread down.
And when you're tying them with the Straggle, do you still put it, what tail do you put on them, or do you put a tail on them?
I can mix it again, Tom.
Yeah.
You know, to be honest with you, I'm going to put on a bit of bronze mallard.
Bit of bronze mallard on this one. Right.
Yeah, I'm going to put a bit of bronze mallard. I just like that sometimes for this sort of a fly. This fly for me is going to be kick again in the water, you know, and
that's the way the Straggle works, isn't it?
Yeah. So what I'm going to do is, you've seen the last fly there I tied, so I just take the little top part of it again, Tom, and I'm going to roll this, Tom.
So you put the tail first and then the mirage butt?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, so this is
interesting, because I would actually put it the other way.
Yeah, no, I'm going to, this is a little kind of a secret, Tom.
Oh, right, okay, secrets out.
Yeah, secrets out.
Secrets out.
Right. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to again measure it.
Yeah.
Right, and catch it in. Right, and this time I'm going to cut a wee bit of mirage.
That's open. Yeah.
Right, so I'm just going to catch it here. Alright. Now this is where I'm going to put my glue on, Tom.
Right. You always put a bit of glue on it?
I was just protect it, Tom.
Yeah.
A small little bit.
Because it is susceptible to the teeth of trout.
Yep. I'm going to wind it up like that.
And you only put a little dab on it?
I only put a wee dab on it, Tom, and I'm protecting my tail as well, Tom, because this fly gets, you know, absolutely with rainbows and you name it, it gets absolutely hammered.
Yeah.
So just, that's it, and catch it. And see the difference it looks, Tom?
Yeah.
So I'm going to wind this back up again. Now we're going to do something different with this one again, Tom. Again, red wire.
Yeah.
Red wire for me just absolutely stands out, Tom.
Because sometimes people tie with the Straggle and they don't put a rib in them.
Yeah.
And I remember the first time I started tying with them, and I didn't put it in, but I started putting them in, and I think it helps the fly.
It does help the fly.
Well,
yeah, and it protects the body as well,
yeah.
Tom. It really does. You know, it protects the body as well. So let's get some of this off. And this sort of this Straggle, Tom, it's, you know, has the length, everything perfect for doing dabblers. So.
And actually, if we were going to do more dabblers, because we were looking at that, you got really taken by the golden olive one.
Yeah, I got taken
because it's actually UV as well.
Yeah,
and you can actually see it.
Yeah,
UV's really coming up.
And to me, with that one, Tom, especially the colour that's in it, you know, it really sits off as, you know, the Irish golden olive.
Yeah, it is actually, yeah.
You know, and it really, to be honest, it sets, as soon as I seen it, just again caught my eye, you know. So we're just going to catch this in. Wind back up the body. Now at this, Tom, I'm just going to.
Just
pulling them back.
Basically, you just pull the strands back, so you're not wrapping over them and trapping them down and under itself.
So I'm just pulling them back like that. And look, you can see the way the mirage is just.
Does actually, doesn't it? Yeah.
A lot of people tie it on the bend, Tom, but I think once you bring down, we say your bronze mallard or your it kind of gets lost.
It does actually. I see what you mean, because it's covering the top half of it.
Yeah, and you know, it's just something the last few years I've been doing myself, adding into the dabblers, Tom, and to me it has worked for me, you know. So just one more turn there, Tom, because I'm not going to put a second hackle on this one. I'm just going to put
put the one hackle down.
Yeah, because there's enough there kicking that with the Fritz, Tom. You know. Just cut it off. Clean it all up here, Tom. And you can see, you know, you can see the mirage.
Yeah.
Coming through.
Yeah, you really can.
Yeah, you know. So let's put a Claret hackle on the body of this.
And the reason I said about the rib is because I have started, even with the Straggle, putting hackles in.
Yeah.
But I've also fished them as well without a hackle.
Yeah.
You know, you can dress them, and they're sparser.
Yeah.
So without actually putting a hackle down through them.
Yeah.
The hackle does add to it.
Oh, the hackle definitely to me adds to it, Tom. It's just, it gives that more of kind of a colour again coming through it, and more of a real, trying to bring it into more of an Irish traditional pattern as well.
Ah, that's very traditional.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, sure, Jamesy only ever tied with Straggle.
And wait till we put the baby eyes on it. That's when it's going to really kick off.
I think we're running out of battery in the camera.
So this one now, we're going to give it 2 turns at the head.
Yeah.
Again, and just sweep. And then just bring it down the body. 4 turns down the body. And again, I keep going back to the mirage, Tom. You can actually see it better.
I can see it, like, and I'm looking at it from the top end of the fly here.
Yeah. So just winding it through like that. And catch it. Cut off waist wire.
Yeah.
Off the haircut, I'm not using it. And tidy up. No. See the mirage?
Yeah.
Now, if that was underneath, Tom,
you wouldn't see it. You wouldn't see as much of it.
Yeah, and
I'm kind of with you on that. So fair play to you, Jackie. I've learned something today now. That's it. I'm going back down to Carnamona with something new. That's it.
Again, on the previous video I done, we were left with that little piece. So what I'm going to do is just going to, again, for the underneath the throat of the fly.
The beard hackle.
Yeah.
Or as we'd say in Irish, the megal.
Yeah. So we're going to turn her over again. Measure again, just underneath. Again, pinch. Pinch. And start tighten. And you see the way it's just...
Yeah, it just flares out nicely.
It just flares out nicely. And as I said previous, I like my dabblers that way, Tom.
Yeah.
You know.
Well, they come out really nice.
They do.
So, you know.
Yeah, they do. And the catch.
Yeah, which is probably the most important thing.
Absolutely. Yeah. There's no point doing videos and they're not going to catch.
No.
You know. And tighten again. Again, the colour, Tom. You can see with the red wire on it.
Yeah, it just offsets it.
It just, you know, it just kicks it off again, Tom. So we're going to get...
A Straggle is a nice length as well.
It is. It's perfect length, Tom.
Yeah,
perfect.
see that?
Yeah, you can see it there just... And again, I keep going back to that red wire rib. And it's just... It's standing out, Tom. So again, I'm just going to measure all out again. So I'm going to put one on top of the other again, like that.
Lovely.
Yeah. Again, pinch and loop, Tom. I find, Tom, if you do the first turn really tight.
All right, the first one tight, and then the next couple.
Yeah, if you do the first one tight, she doesn't actually sit proproperly. So that's where.
Oh, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, it's like what you said. It's loose turns. Yeah, loose turns. That's
And then start tightening it then. And you can see the way.
Yeah.
She's just kicking off there, Tom.
Yeah.
Like a roof.
Yeah.
You know. So cut away my waist again.
Right, you're getting good and close there.
I'm getting very close with it. So again, I'm taking it at an angle, Tom. See the way? Just cutting into it.
Yeah. Just trapping all the loose ends down. Tidying them up.
Tidying them up as best as I can see.
Yeah. You gave yourself plenty of room. It's often a problem with
Yep.
lads starting off.
Yep.
They go up too far
Yep.
and end up covering the eye. Give yourself plenty of room up at the top of the fly.
Again, just we'll finish it.
Yeah.
And you can see the mirage coming through it there, Tom. See the very back of it. You can see the mirage coming through.
Yeah. Drop it down there. Yeah.
Traditional.
Traditional. Not so traditional.
Yeah.
Very nice. But both Claret Dabblers.
But both Claret Dabblers.
So just remember when you hear somebody telling you, call it on a Claret Dabbler.
What Claret?
Oh no, a Claret Dabbler. Yeah, two completely different flies, but both fish catchers.
And the mirage.
Yeah, I'm liking the mirage.
Yeah.
I'm glad I came to Grange.